Hi, welcome back. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can pick up a kettlebell of virtually any size. I'll demonstrate with an 8, a 10 and a 12. There are much lighter weights and there are much heavier weights as well. So you're going to choose a kettlebell to suit your ability. Picking it up is the same method for each size. So why have I got a pole down my back? The important thing is when you're picking up the kettlebell, your back is completely straight line with your head. Everything is in perfect alignment. Okay, so you'll be standing with your feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. Your face is straight in front and your neck will always be in line with your spine, as will your head. So when you hinge back, you're now looking at the floor in front, and when you stand, you're looking ahead. Hinging back, the arms go down to stand up straight. So now I'm going to show you with an 8 kilogram, standing about 10 inches away, hinging from my hip, picking up the kettlebell and begin to swing. Placing that down on the floor. Is it moving? It shouldn't be. 10 kilogram. Hinging back by my hips, loading my hips and swinging. Straightening the legs, squeezing the glutes, back up straight and place it down on the floor. 12 kilogram. Hinging back, holding on and swing in it through my legs. Breathe in and out and placing it down. So whichever kettlebell you use, picking it up, double-handed swings, that is your very, very basic things you need to learn, and just have fun with it. Okay, if that was useful, let me know, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.